Somewhere in the distance, a herd of deer visits the waterhole to quench their thirst. A crocodile remains lifeless, waiting for the perfect moment to launch its attack. My first ever jungle safari was awaiting for me with full of surprise and thrills. It's a limitless privilege to see raw emotions of nature.
Good morning guys, it's day 2 in Ramnagar and today we have Dikala safari arranged for us. So our gate is actually Dhangadi, but we have to go by canter over there. So we are gonna take auto to reach the canter point and then we are going to go in canter to Dhangadi because it's a long journey because Dikala is far away from almost 30 km from Ramnagar. So let's go.
Before showing you actual Dikala safari, I would like to give you all some information about this safari. Jim Corbett National Park is spread over 520 square kilometer area of hills, riverine belts, marshy depressions, grassland and large lake. There are 5 major regions in jungle safari which are called Dikala, Bijrani, Dhirna, Durga Devi and Dhela. You can do 2 types of safari. One is day visit in canter or gypsy, or you can book night stay at Dikala or Bijrani. Note that canter safari is only available for Dikala region. This is the official website of Jim Corbett National Park, where you will get every information needed. If you just go there and try to book offline with some agency, then it might happen that you will not get inside the park, but they will just show you around and not in exact jungle. So go by official booking process. Go to register and booking, select the type of safari that you want to do like jungle safari or night stay. Select a date and the website will show you all available safaris for that day. And here you can see there is morning and evening safari. These are the number of bookings made for that date. You can choose whichever slot and safari you want and then enter your information and do the payment. You can also check the charges for each safari on click of this rupees sign. You will receive such receipt on confirmation. This booking is called permit for the safari. Booking include visitor charges, solid waste management, online and GST charges. As we did day canter safari in Dikala, I am sharing only that information. I will surely give you gypsy information and night stay information in our next Bijrani video. While going for safari, you need to keep a printout of this permit and your identity proof. Now because this is a canter safari, you have to reach to a canter pickup point by yourself. If you are going by gypsy, then you can choose your own pickup point. For canter, it's mostly Ramnagar's Degree College. Safari boarding time is 11 am, so at 10 am we went to Degree College. So this is our canter for today. It had 16 seats and depending on your booking, they will make you sit in corresponding canter. You don't have to pay extra to this canter, it's included in your permit. Don't forget to check the weather and be prepared with warm and comfortable clothes. Also choose soft colors for clothes which can easily mix up with the nature. Shades of green and grey are ideal. The Dhangadi gate is the entry point for Dikala safari. Be it canter or gypsy, the entry gate is same. So we take 15-20 minutes break here while Forest Department officials checks permit and identity card.
The statue of Edward James Corbett. We are here and we are going at Dikala.
Just when we enter the dense forest, guide brief us about the safari.
अभी हम लोग 2 बजे तक पहुँचेंगे डिकाला में। डिकाला पहुँचने के बाद वहाँ रिफ्रेशिंग के लिए टाइम मिलेगा आधा घंटा। कैलेंडर नंबर 7 है, सभी लोग बिखरे ना अलग अलग ग्रुप में बहुत ज़्यादा ढूंढना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो इसे आधे घंटे के बाद वहाँ पर क्या है कि चाय मैगी का वहाँ पे है और वहाँ पे रिजर्वायर है। तो ये सब वहाँ पे क्रोकोडाइल और घड़ियाल भी वहाँ पे दिखते हैं, केवल एलिफेंट हट दिखते हैं। और ये सब अपना फिनिश करने के बाद सभी लोग आधे घंटे में आ जाइएगा गाड़ी पे। उसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे, एक बैक व्यू है उसका, बहुत बड़ा ग्रास लैंड है, रिजर्वायर एरिया है। तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा कॉमन है डियर, स्पॉटेड डियर, सांबर डियर, बाकी डियर मिलते हैं एवरीवेयर। वाइल्ड बोर मिल जाते हैं, उससे ऊपर कहानी आती है एलिफेंट के हर्ड मिल जाते हैं, कई बार कैंटर पर चार्ज करते हैं। ऐसी कंडीशन आती है तो डरिएगा मत। टाइगर जो है बहुत 15 से 20 का मूवमेंट रहता है, नेचुरल हैबिटेट का टाइगर है, पूरा फ्री है। बस किस्मत है उसको देखना, क्योंकि हर किसी को दर्शन नहीं हो पाते। और हमारा फोकस रहता है पूरी तरीके से कि दिखे, हमारा भी प्रेशर रिलीज हो जाता है, बाकी नहीं दिखे वो उसकी मर्जी है।
We visited in February and it was very cold. Along the way, we saw barking deer, sambar deer, spotted deer, and langur monkey in lush green jungle. One thing I was surprised to see is lot of curry leaves plant. I tried to capture as much as I can with my phone camera, but it's not enough to show you all the beauty of jungle. But still, we managed to click some pictures with another camera. After 2.5 hours, we reach our Dikala point. You can also book a night stay over here. There is good chance that you might see a tiger at this waterhole. We could not get it as bookings were full. It's quite a big reservoir. By just standing here, we saw a whole line of crocodile resting on the banks and a small herd of elephants. It was at a long distance and really hard to capture in my phone camera. This reservoir is on Ramganga river and it's truly a lifeline of this forest. It provides water in harsh summer when all other streams dry out.
It took us 2.5 hours to reach this point, Dikala. This is basically small campsite where they have arranged breakfast, lunch, and some basic needs, washroom, etc. Then after this, we are again going for the next safari. I mean, this safari, see, for the next part.
This is quite a good place considering it's deep inside the jungle and maintaining such a place is really hard job. At this place they have two separate lunch area. One is small canteen where you can have omelette, Maggie and tea, and at other place you can have a proper lunch. After some snacks we again went to see the reservoir in hope to see more animals. Not to mention, but there are monkeys everywhere and you have to be careful with them. Also, when you come here, do bring your binoculars, it's much needed.
बेटा ऐसे दिख ही नहीं रहा बेटा ऐसे। एलिफेंट दिखे आपको?
वुली नेक स्टॉक, वो ना ब्लैक नेक स्टॉक।
ब्लैक नेक
ये पानी दिख रहा है ना, ये वाला पानी के उधर से ऐसे लैंड आ गई ना, ये पानी, ये लैंड है, पहले इधर देखिए।
This is around 45 minutes break and after this we went around the campsite in large grassland which is along the banks of river. Just in hope to see the tiger, we saw elephant crossing the road. We actually saw more animals on the way back. At one point there was this gypsy standing and they told us that there is an elephant very close to the road. So we stopped there and our guide gave us some information about the elephant, that it was female and she was pregnant. Once she saw us, she considered us as a threat and started straightening her ears and taking few steps towards our vehicle. Then our driver took our vehicle few meters back and then we wait for a few minutes until she crossed the road. Watching deers roaming freely in the jungle is so amazing. It was so funny though that they will give you a very stunning view, but till the moment you take out your camera, they will be long gone. We made some new friends in the journey, cracked lots of crazy jokes in the canter, and filled our hearts with a lot of memories and mesmerizing animal view. Our Dikala safari comes to end around 5:30 p.m. Amazingly spent day with nature comes to an end. Canter dropped us at same point where they picked us. I will see you in the next video, which is about night stay in Bijrani.